children. How are you? Yes, all are fine, no? Yes. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನಾವು ಗ್ರೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ವಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ದೊಡ್ಡವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಹಿಂಗೇಳಿ ಈ ಥರ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೀಟಿಂಗ್. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಡು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಶೇಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಡು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೇ, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, because I wanted you all to thorough with the basic things. Okay? Yes. Today also, as usual, I will go through some good habits. What is that? Yes. Learn to wear your dress yourself. Learn to wear your dress yourself. What is that? Yes, every day after taking bath or going to school or going any outside, you need to take care of your dresses. For example, what and all you will wear? Your innerwears like banians and shorts. Outside, t-shirts, shirts or pants or trousers. You wear, no? All these things. Yes, you need to be concentrate or you need to give some focus on that. How you will give the focus? You should know that what you have to wear and when and how. What you have to wear, when and how. If you are going to a marriage function, you should wear very glittering one. I mean the festival like marriage and all, like party wear and all, you can wear and go. If you go to temple, you have to wear some decent dress. If you are going for vacation near the beach or somewhere like that, you have to wear the which like shorts and t-shirt and all you can wear. Correct, children? If you are going out in a summer season, you try to wear the cotton cloths or any sleeveless like that. If you are wearing, yes, going outside in the rainy season, you can wear a which clothes? Rain out clothes. Like if the rain falls also, you should go down like that. If you are going in the winter season, you have to wear a warm cloth like sweaters and all. You have to learn to wear the dress yourself. Take the help of mama. I am not telling not. You just try to wear yourself. You wear your shorts and t-shirts. If there is button and it is not, don't know how to put like that, then only you can call your mama. For boys, if you are wearing a jeans or anything, if you feel difficult to put the zip of the pant, that time you call your parents for the help. But don't call to each and everything the help. Okay, try to wear the dresses yourself, children. That is the topic. Okay, today I am going to do my virtual class, start the online class. Okay, now we will move to our English. As usual, we were learning English. In that we were learning which subject, which thing? Blends. Blends of R. Correct, na? Yesterday we learned BR CR. In that, brain, right, broad. So many are there. For few things I have written here. For CR, crane, crab, crow, crab. Brain, braid, bride, broad. Crane, crane, N-E. Okay, crane, crab, crow and cry. This is a BR and CR, belongs to our family. Today we are going to learn two more new family, that is DR. Drink, draw, drop, drill. Okay, drink, draw, drop, drill. These are the few words for deer. You can write the drum also. These are common words. What you hear? Drink, draw, drop, drill, drum. You hear no? Drink a plenty of water. Draw a beautiful picture. Drop. Go and drop your cousin to her home. Drill. Drilling machine makes a heavy sound. Drum. Go and play with your drum. They will tell no. So these are the regular and familiar words to you. You will hear most of the times in a day. Okay? Yes. Next is after DR. Next is FR. Fry, fruit, fresh, free, frame. Fry, fruit, fresh, free and frame. Fry. You hear this word? Fry the what? Our fried alus, fried chicken, like that and all we will hear no, that is fry. Fruit. I will be telling and your mama will be telling always no, eat your favorite fruit. Fresh. Go and fresh up yourself. She will tell no in the morning. After when you get up from the bed, she will tell go fresh up yourself, brush your teeth and come. Keep yourself fresh like that and no, fresh. Free. Free means open. Free means open. For example, while you are seeing the watching the TV, they will tell no, free the pigeon from the cage like that. Then frame. Every day you will see no your photos at home which has been kept inside the frame. These are the new words: drink, draw, drop, drill, drum, fry, fruit, fresh, free and frame. Okay? Yes, these two belongs to a family DR and FR. Today we are going to see what is there in your Discover Phonics book. Okay? Discover Phonics book, book 5. Open the page number 10. You have to read. What they are given? Drain, drive. For DR family they are given drain, drive, drum, drop. Drain, drive, drum, drop. FR. In the FR family they are given frame. Frame means the sticker. Frame, free, frog. Frame, frame, free and frog. Okay? This is the what you have to do. The homework is read Discover Phonics book page number 10 and write 3 times the DR and FR words. Write 3 times the DR and FR words. Where you have to write? In your 4 lines book. You write the drain and write the 3 times drain Discover Phonic book and then you have to write it there. The next homework is the same thing they are given in phonic activity book. See, they are also given the same thing there. You have to write your name first, then date, okay? Then you have to write the words what they are given: drain, dry, drum, drop, frame, free and frog. This is the what they are given. Yes, the same thing you have to write it neatly, children. Just look into that from where they have started and where they have went, like from red line to blue line or blue line to red line. Maybe from blue line to blue line also they may give you. Write it properly. Yes, understood? Yes. Now we will move to next thing, that is the sight words. In the sight words, in that we are learning here. Here andre illi. Okay? Here andre eno? Illi. H-E ear. And write the sentence. Here is my bag. Here is my bag. Illi ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇದೆ. Here is my bag. Like that, here is the pool. Here is the pool. Like that, here is my bag, here is the pool. You can make so many sentences. In the homework is 4 lines book. Make 4 sentences for sight word. Here, okay? Make 4 sentences for sight word here. Here is my bag, here is the pool. 4 lines. Make 4 sentences for sight word here. Okay, understood? This is your English class. Yes, children. Today we learned the 2 new groups of R blends, that is FR and DR. Correct. With that, we learn some words also, and how can we make the sentences orally I told to you. Okay, and also I gave you 2 homework. One, you have to read it aloudly, because when I gave the assessment you didn't read, children. So now it's the time to read more things. Okay, now you get thorough with all these things and come over your all weaknesses in the reading. Okay, that in the Discover Phonic book page number 10 you have to read, and you have to write the same words by reading only in your 4 lines book. Okay, then phonic activity book page number 43 you need to complete it. And also the last homework is 4 lines, make 4 sentences for sight words here. Okay, for a sight words here. Yes, understood? Yes. Now we will move to a new thing, that is a new class, that is our mathematics. In that we will learning a number 81 to 90. Okay, today also I'll write here 81, 82, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, then 90. Okay, the number is EIGHTY 81. EIGHTY 82. EIGHTY 84. EIGHTY 85. 86. Okay, I missed here and write this one also. 83. And the last one is 90. Okay, I have written here the spellings or names of 81 to 90. EIGHTY 80, ONE1, 82, 83. Only you need to learn the spelling of the 80. 1 to 9 already you know. With that, using that thing only you need to learn the spelling 80. This is so easy, children. Already you know the number names. Sometimes only you need to have the TY for that. Okay. The last one is 90. NINETY. Okay. Today we are going to learn some magic thing like the missing number. Okay, I'll write some missing numbers from, I'll take randomly. Okay, 60. Okay. Okay, this is the missing number things. Okay, can we move for that and see what is missing? 61, after 61 what should come here? After 62 what should come here? Yes, that is 63. After 63, 64, 65, then 66. This was my missing box. Correct, no children? Yes? 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 was missing. I wrote there 67 and 68. Like that 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. Correct? Next 80. These all are my missing numbers. After 80 what will comes? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 and the last thing is This is your missing number pattern. Okay, you can do yourself at home. No need to do all like this only. You can take the caterpillar, you can take the missing numbers like flowers and all. Okay, any picture you want, you can take with your own creativity. The homework is, children, in your mathematics readiness book, page number 41, you need to complete with the names. Okay, number name from 81 to 90 and also the numbers. Okay, don't forget to put the today's date and you have to complete it for 81 to 90, writing the numbers also and also the number names. Yes? Yes. Okay, now the second homework is make your own, one second, make your own missing number problems. 6 you have to make. You can do like this. You can draw a flower like this. You can draw a flower. Okay. Okay. Here you can write 21. Here you can miss it 23. Here you can miss it and you can write here 25. Like that you can write anything or any caterpillar picture you can write or anything. It's your own creativity. You just take your mama's help. Make your own creativity of the problem of the missing numbers. At least 6 numbers should be there inside that with 6 problems. Our question na ನೀವೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು missing numbers. Okay, understood? Yes. Now I move to next thing. The next homework is your fun homework, my art card book. Page number 29. What they given there? Page number 29. They are given there, complete the missing parts and color the picture. Complete the missing parts and color the picture. You need to complete the missing part. Already they are given there. You just go through that and you color the pictures. As usual, today is Friday. Actually in the school we were doing the rhyme time. But today as usual Friday your curriculum will be less. So today I am going to say you one story, The Fox and the Crow. Okay, you just listen to me, not only listening to me, see how I will read the story with the accents and all, and you try to read the same thing at home. Okay, The Fox and the Crow. One day the door of a cottage was open. A crow flew in through the door. Can you see the picture? Here one day the cottage was open, one house was open, and one crow flew into the house, and he saw the crow stole a piece of meat from the table and flew to the branch of a tall tree. ಕಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀಟ್ ನ ಆ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಆರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. Just as he settled there to enjoy his meat, a fox came along and stopped under the tree. He smelled something good. Just ಆ ಕಾಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಆ ಮೀಟ್ ಪೀಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೂಲಕ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು. ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತು, ಏನೋ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತು ಟ್ರೀ ನೋಡ್ತು. ಕಾಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಪೀಸ್ನ ಬೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು. ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್. He saw a piece of meat in the crow's beak. His mouth watered as well. ಹೌದಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರೋ ಫುಡ್ಡು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅನಿಸ್ತು, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ನ ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆಂದ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆಂದ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇಸ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮೀಟ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ಎನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಮೀಟ್ನ ನಾನು ಕ್ರೋಯಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಆದರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಓಡಿತ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. He remembered that the crow is a proud bird. He decided to flatter him. He remembered, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಏನಂತ, ಕ್ರೋಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೊಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೇಗ ನಂಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಅದು ಮೂರ್ಖ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅದು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. He began, good day my pretty bird, I wish you were so beautiful. The crow did not reply, it just sat proudly. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಫಾಕ್ಸು, ಕ್ರೋ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೋ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ನೀನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ನೀನು ನೋಡಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತು. ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ರೋಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಮೊದಲೇ ಮೂರ್ಖ ಕಾಗೆ ಅನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ, ಹಾ ಹೌದು ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ರೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ, ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋತು. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ನೆಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಐಸ್. All the birds must be jealous of you, the fox added, but the crow didn't answer. And next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಫಾಕ್ಸ್, ಓ ಇದ್ಯಾಕೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಗಳೋಣ ಅಂತ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ನೆಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಐಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಗೆ ಉಬ್ಬೋಯ್ತು, ಹೌದು ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. Then the fox said, it is so sad that you didn't talk. You have a sweet voice. If you could sing, you would have been the kings of bird. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಫಾಕ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತು. ನನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀನು ರಿಪ್ಲೈಯೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಗಂಟ್ಲು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀನೊಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ. Hearing this, the crow uttered caw caw at once. The piece of the meat fell down from his mouth. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಉಬ್ಬೋಯ್ತು. ಹೌದು ನೋಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಗಂಟ್ಲು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಯಿನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾ ಕಾ ಅಂತ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಬಾಯಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೀಟು, ಅದು ಕಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಾಂಸದ ಚೂರು, ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ದ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ ದ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರ್ಯಾನ್ ಅವೇ. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ನರಿ ಆ ಮೀಟ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡೋಯ್ತು. ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫೂಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕ್ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಆ ಕಾಗೆನ ಮೂರ್ಖನ ಕಾಗೆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಕಾಗೆದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಾಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಪಕ್ಷಿ, ಕೋಗಿಲೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಕಾಗೆನ ನೀನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೂರ್ಖ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಊಟನ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡೋಯ್ತು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮಾರಲ್ ಏನು, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ಲಾಟರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹೊಗಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಳಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಟುಡೇ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, enjoy your day. Once tomorrow when we meet in Zoom call, if any doubts is there, we will clear it then. Okay, take care, bye.